Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I had the probably the best night camping so far. This was a great spot by the beach of James Bay. Bugs weren't too bad because of the breeze. I've got to drive to Radisson now, about 120k. Fuel up because it's going to be over 400 kilometers to get to the first gas stop. Also on the way back is going to be a bit annoying because I'm going to have to go back up to Radisson before I head down because it's over 500 kilometers to get to kilometer 381. Let's get to Radisson, figure out some supplies. We'll probably start the Transtega today. I guess my only option for sound is to order up a new microphone when I get to a town. Try and figure out where I'm going to be. For the next little while, won't be able to talk. I guess I could do a voiceover. But limited options when you're traveling in the boonies. Say goodbye to James Bay. Just outside of Radisson, and I'm gonna go check out the Robert Barassa Dam. Maybe get a tour, but I think you have to book that in advance. But there's some viewpoints. They have a lookout tower. Let's go see what the view's like from up top. There it is, a view of the reservoir. So there are two generating stations here. One down there, one down there, and together they account for over 20% of Hydro-Quebec's generating capacity. It can generate a whopping 37,000 megawatts of power. It's Canada's largest hydroelectric station, 15th largest in the world, and is the largest underground generating station in the world. Fantabulous. Too bad the waterways aren't open because that would look awesome with the water spilling down. It still looks pretty impressive. I'm gonna go see if I can find where the main dam tour is and it's not too late. Well, I'm at the main town of Radisson and the Hydro-Quebec living quarters, and that's where the tour starts. I haven't registered, but we're gonna go see if I can get in on it. I've registered and I'm in. Ooh. This is going to be a 4-hour tour all in French, so I'll get about 20% of it. And to see a wolf taking down a caribou if we're lucky. Okay, we just had a little video presentation inside, and now we're about to head onto a bus. And I've got my fancy chapeau. We have now exited the tour bus for a view of a reservoir. The best view of the spillway doors I can get from this tour. To see the dam and get the tour and get underground and see a little bit of how the hydro works. All right, I've got an extra 1 liter. I've got the 4-liter jug. Got my Camelback, and I was going to start tonight, but it's 6 o'clock, so I think I'm just going to go find a camp spot and get myself an early start tomorrow. No rush, and I'm tired. So everyone I've asked has said that you can get fuel at the airport, which is about 30k out of town. So tomorrow I'll try that. From Radisson to the start of the Transtega, it's 70 kilometers. All right, I found myself a little pullout off of a road that takes you to the views of the river. I don't have any views of the river, so this spot will be perfect, and I'll probably scootle on down and take a jump in the river for a quick rinse off after I set myself up. I'm gonna leave the safety of my encampment and head just down the road a bit so I can do a quick rinse off before I come back and eat. I'm in completely inappropriate attire. Not the spot I was looking for, but it'll do. No naked shot this time. I want to rinse my clothes off. A lot colder than I thought. And a stronger current. Good thing I know how to swim. And I'm back here. All right, not much more to tell you guys. I'm just going to relax, get something to eat, and get myself prepared for tomorrow. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.